name is Stacy Attia, and I am the Senior Solution Marketing Manager here at N2I, the nation's leader in special education. I'm so excited to take you on a guided tour of Unique Learning System, the online instructional solution that has changed the lives of millions of students, their teachers, and families. Having served for 18 years in teacher, administrator, and mentor roles, I know firsthand how rewarding it is when students succeed. I am often reminded of the year when I had 13 students on 8 different grade levels. They all needed specialized instruction, and it was my role to prepare them for life in and beyond the classroom. I'm sure you can imagine how overwhelming it was to plan, schedule, collect data, and write IEPs for each of them. And these are things that would keep me awake at night. I needed more time with my students. And along came Unique Learning System, the only solution with proven, personalized instruction to promote measurable growth, comprehensive, age-appropriate lessons spanning all grade bands and subject areas, and consistent research-based methodologies, including universal design for learning, to ensure students achieve their state standards. We hear all the time from our educators who are taking advantage of everything Unique Learning System has to offer. They love it because it produces great outcomes. I was one of those administrators and teachers, and that's why I'm thrilled to help you explore this award-winning academic and life skills solution. First, we'll preview the monthly lessons, which cover all your core subject areas: ELA, math, science, and social studies. Teachers have a variety of standards-based lessons to choose from each month, with full instructional routines, plus hundreds of high-interest activities that are thematically linked. We also offer a holiday unit in December and a summer unit. Teachers have access to more than one unit at a time, offering the flexibility to choose from different monthly topics to engage all their students. With a scaffolded approach and a spiraling scope and sequence, Unique Learning System equips teachers to effectively introduce a concept, then reinforce it, and finally see their students apply it. They can be assured students are truly learning and making connections. Notice that each lesson is aligned to my state's standards. I'm using the powerful search tool, which lets me find content by keyword, standard code, subject, or category. And when I click on the notepad icon to pull up the lesson plan, I have great visibility into each activity's instructional targets, differentiated tasks, assessment alignment, and instructional routines. From here, I can export and share my lesson plans, complete with what standards I've covered. Our 6 grade bands span from pre-K through transition. They are based on chronological age to deliver age-appropriate instruction at the right level of support to help students with varied abilities and backgrounds achieve their greatest possible gains. Within each grade band, there are 3 levels of differentiation driven by performance data, perfect for helping to personalize and optimize instruction. For those of you supporting intermediate, middle, and high school grades, in addition to the monthly thematic units covering all core academic areas, Unique Learning System offers over 200 science and social studies courses aligned to national standards. And watch for math courses that will be added in the 2022-2023 school year. And our Inspire Classics helps you meet ELA standards with differentiated access to classic literature. 12 novels and plays are available in 2 decodable formats: adapted text and symbol supported. Each comes with differentiated comprehension activities, as well as chapter tests and end-of-book assessments for progress monitoring. This was a game changer for me, and my students loved the sense of pride and inclusion they got reading the same text as their peers. Finally, to supplement instruction at all grade levels, you have access to the robust N2Y library, over 1,000 leveled books covering a huge range of topics and interests. Also, to help prepare your older students for independence, Unique Learning System supports transition skills beginning as early as pre-K, with core materials that cover communication, employability, daily living, self-advocacy, and social strategies. Starting in middle school, Transition Passport helps students create a lifelong planning resource highlighting their abilities, strengths, and goals. And of course, our dedicated Transition Grade Band offers complete instruction for students continuing with post-school academics. Now I'll show you how easy it is to deliver this great content to your students. With multiple login options to accommodate district needs, we make it simple to connect students to their lessons and content in your preferred learning management system. Because I'm choosing to teach the lessons in my preferred order, I'm managing my day-to-day instruction in My Students. This convenient, time-saving central hub helps teachers manage assignments, login settings, accessibility options, and performance monitoring across all N2I solutions. For those who prefer to automate lesson planning, another flexible teaching option is to choose our suggested monthly plan, which provides a consistent daily routine. Here in My Students, I can see what assignments students have waiting for them. Using the direct link to monthly lessons, I have the flexibility to quick assign new tasks and homework, or to modify assignments for the whole group or individuals. Note that if your district uses its own LMS, you can easily link students to their assignments. I can see the status of students' work, what's been completed, and what they're still working on, plus a detailed log of their recent activity, and monitor their daily performance, including accuracy and participation scores. I can download samples of their online work for upcoming IEP meetings. And conveniently, I can also see exactly what my students are seeing in their student view. So let's see what that looks like for students when they first sign in. It's easy for them to navigate to their daily activities, homework, checkpoint assessments, and even N2I library books. Whether on a classroom whiteboard or personal devices, students can access interactive documents and use markup tools to complete the assignment. They'll get visual prompts when a task needs more work. And a Turn In button reminds them to submit their finished work. Remember, each student receives lessons that are automatically differentiated based on their level. And speaking of differentiation, this takes place in N2Y's powerful GPS assessment hub, where teachers can customize a student's level and also progress monitor for IEP compliance. Here, all service providers have the option to complete observational profiles and a student summary report. Teachers also can track individuals and groups throughout the year. Our monthly checkpoints allow them to see what the student currently knows before starting the monthly unit, and then deliver a post-test to show how much they have learned from the lessons. My reports will easily and automatically capture everything that's being taught, as well as recording students' performance data. Within the reports, you'll find multiple data points in the form of checkpoints, benchmark assessments, profiles, and daily performance. These powerful predictive indicators help personalize classroom instruction and optimize performance on high-stakes testing. And for administrators wanting a higher-level view, at-a-glance reporting provides a window into utilization rates, student logins, assignment status, and even district-wide performance data, ensuring compliance towards relevant standards. Dependable data also supports progress monitoring of IEP goals and objectives, and provides crucial insights into where additional teacher support is needed. I hope you've seen the depth and power of Unique Learning System. It's research-proven, differentiated instruction promoting academic achievement and greater opportunities in life. comprehensive, age-appropriate lessons and activities spanning all subject areas and grade bands, and consistent instructional methodologies for meeting a wide range of student needs and pacing with general education. All enhanced by flexible delivery options, time-saving automation, and a full range of reporting that empowers the entire educational team to achieve compliance. And when integrated with N2I's total solution for special education, Unique Learning System becomes part of a cost-effective ecosystem that truly meets the needs of the whole child. Schedule a demo with a member of our sales team to see Unique Learning System in action and get your questions answered.